Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Chai and DIY, and today, oh, this is so exciting. We have a new tool unboxing for some fantastic new and exciting things that I am going to be able to do on my channel. I have been diving deep down into the rabbit hole of doing a different type of crafting type projects. I do have a Cricut. I've been using it for, oh gosh, over a year now. And I've been really enjoying that. I've been making a lot of things out of leather. I've been doing a lot of vinyl things and making paper crafts and things like that. And I've really been enjoying that. And I just thought, it's time to learn something new. It's time to expand my brain, and it's time to kind of restart the idea and creative process in my mind. So what maybe is the next step for me? And I did it. I did it, you guys. I got a fun new tool. And hopefully this, I'm still gonna continue to go to the Dollar Tree and to make, fun DIY things that anybody can do, by going to the dollar store, because those are fun. And hopefully, those type of videos help spark your creativity, where you can walk into a hobby store or a dollar store, something like that. And, those ideas will start to bloom in your mind. This is going to be something a little bit different. Hopefully it will attract a new type of demographic to my channel. And I'm just hoping that I'm going to be able to learn something new, something fun, and I don't know, just kind of be able to put myself into a new type of creative game or space. And so let's try this again. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new laser engraver. And this is the new xTool F2 Laser Engraver. And it's not, if you go down the rabbit hole of these xTools, they have so many different kinds. This is not the Ultra, this is not the UV, this is just an F2. This has two lasers. This has a IR laser or an infrared laser, and this also has a blue laser, which means the things that you can engrave expand, because you've got two different types of lasers. So let me back up a little bit so you can see this. Okay, so this is it. Look at how fun this is. They're so small, they're so tiny. And what makes this fun is that if you wanted to take these to like craft shows or events and stuff, you totally could. You could engrave things on the spot, personalize them, like while your customer is standing at your table at the event or at the craft fair or whatever. These things are so small. It's fairly lightweight, although my stupid skinny bitty arms can't really lift it very well. This unit by itself, I think, is around $1,400. I went ahead and bought the deluxe kit. So I also got the air purifier, which is the first box that I accidentally opened, because you're going to be doing things that are basically going to be emitting vapors, smoke, things like that you do not want to be breathing in. So an air purifier, especially because I'm going to be doing this in my office or in my craft room, does not have super great ventilation, where I can't pipe it outside, directly outside. You need to have some sort of a desk purifier, which is what this is. So I went ahead and got that. Let me move this over just for a second so I can show you the exact size of this air purifier. So the air purifier looks like this. And it's got openings for your intake and outtake. And then it's got filters that it comes with. And so it's not super big. This will fit right on my toolbox, and it's perfect. And then that way I don't have to cut holes in my walls to be able to vent outside. So perfect. Okay, the other things that I got in my kit were the rotary attachment This allows me to do tumblers or cylindrical objects. Because the laser is coming down vertically, anything on a flat surface is going to be nice and clear and in focus. But if you try and do something on a cylindrical object, it's going to be out of focus on the tilt. And so with this rotary tool, it can now turn where the focus part on the top will be constantly rotated. So then I'll be able to do wraps, full engraved wraps, because it will be constantly turning, if that makes sense. So this is the rotary tool that also came with my deluxe kit. And then the other thing I got was a slide extension. So what this does is it basically triples my surface area. So you'll notice on my little unit here that right now my surface area is only this big, which is still, I mean, for like a coaster or a keychain or a flask or, I mean, thousands of other objects that I can engrave, you know, this is perfect. It's just the right amount of surface area. But if I wanted to do something like a cutting board or, you know, something that's longer or, you know, that has more surface area, then this extension extends the surface area with which I can engrave upon. And so this is the third item that came in the deluxe package. So I received all of that. That all came in a kit that I purchased all together. And I think I paid $2,300 for the entire kit. It came with all the things that I've showed you. And I had a coupon that I got online at xTools on their website, and I got $100 off. I think that made it pretty affordable. I'm not necessarily going into this whole process thinking that I'm just gonna make $1 million like on Etsy or something, because I'm not. But I think it's a worthwhile investment in myself, in my brain, in my learning, and in, you know, just trying to expand my creative abilities, the things that I'm able to do, the things that I'm able to learn, and then hopefully be able to share that knowledge with you guys that may be interested in my content and in my videos. And so I will be expanding my content on this channel to include laser engravings using the F2, and you guys can just go along with me on this journey as I kind of bumble my way through learning this process and hopefully making some really cool things. So anyway, if that sounds exciting to you, or if you have used the F2 and you are an expert and you have any advice or tips or tricks or anything, please leave them down below for me, because I could use it. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my new exciting tool. I'm so hopeful that this is going to be something that I really enjoy and something that hopefully you guys will enjoy too. So anyway, with that being said, happy Saturday. Bye.